The true secret to arriving at a place where you can truly say that you're financially independent is understanding the alignment between earning from your strengths and spending from your values. When we earn our income in relationship to our top 5 strengths, we're able to earn more income, which is the engine to financial freedom. And then when we spend from our values, if we have alignment, a guilt-free relationship with spending our money from our core values, that is how we're able to become financially free and financially independent. Because without understanding your true income and your true spending, you're always going to be living in the life and in the mode of how much is enough. And once you know how much is enough, you will arrive at your own version, being financially free. I'm Dawn Dalby, and I'm here to help you build both your wealth and your worth at the same time so you can also go after your big dreams. I'm here to support. Ready, set, let's go.